Okay, good morning. 2 days ago we started this job here. It was going to involve a demo in the kitchen, and you can see we've already had the floor installed. A beautiful hickory flooring from, and there's the name of the company that makes it. They've already completed just about the entire house except for a few areas left. Closet's been done, hallway, this will be started today. Hallway. Bedroom was finished yesterday. Small section of the hallway. The other bedroom completed yesterday. And they already started and should be finishing off this area today. Well, actually, in just a little while, to tell you the truth. And by sometime tomorrow, we'll be done. Came out to be a very beautiful floor.